Hello grade 4 students, how are you doing? Welcome to the science worksheet number 7 solution. This time we're talking about classification of animals into two big groups, which are vertebrates and invertebrates, and about the first group of vertebrates, which is the fish group. How do we classify a given animal as a vertebrate or as an invertebrate? As you know now, vertebrates are animals with a backbone. The backbone is also called a vertebral column or a spine, while invertebrates are animals without a backbone. What are the 5 groups of vertebrates? Vertebrates are classified into 5 groups: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. What are main body parts of a fish? Fish live in water. They use their fins to swim. They use their gills to breathe. And they have also a tail fin that helps them move forward in water. A fish is covered with disconnected or detached scales. Fish are cold-blooded, and fish are also oviparous. Oviparous animals are animals that reproduce by laying eggs. Cold-blooded animals are animals with a temperature that changes according to the environment, to the surrounding. They don't have a fixed body temperature. How fish take oxygen from water? How do they breathe? Water enters, I'm not gonna write it, I'm just reminding you of the idea. Fish enter the fish body, or water enter the fish body through the fish mouth, and it comes out through the gill opening. While passing through the gills, these gills' job is to take or absorb oxygen from water before water goes out of the fish body. So this was a quick review of the lesson. Right V is if the picture shows a vertebrate, and I think it shows an invertebrate. Vertebrates are animals with a backbone. Invertebrates are animals without a backbone. So I will use the letter V for vertebrates and I for invertebrates. The octopus is an animal without bones. It has no bones. So this animal is classified as an invertebrate. The octopus is an invertebrate. The turtle has a backbone. So this animal is a vertebrate. Snakes also have a backbone. These are animals with bones. So this is a vertebrate. Birds too. This is the owl. The owl is a bird. It has a backbone. So the owl is classified as a vertebrate. We can easily smash a spider. This means that the spider has no bones. So the spider is an invertebrate. It has no bones. Fish are vertebrates. We saw this in the lesson. We saw the backbone of the fish in the lesson. This animal is a vertebrate. Lizards also have a backbone, so lizards are vertebrates. Turtles, snakes, owls, fish, lizards, are vertebrates. These animals show a spine, a vertebral column, or a backbone. These are three words for the same part of the body: the backbone, the spine, the vertebral column. Why? The octopus and the spider are not vertebrates. They have no bones in their bodies, so they are invertebrates. Question number 2. We have here the chicken diagram. This is a picture showing different parts of the chicken. The question is specify. We have also to justify, to tell why if we choose our answer. If chickens are vertebrates or invertebrates. Let's read the chicken diagram. Chickens have eyes, a beak, trachea, they have a heart, a liver, intestines, but they also show, I will circle this, they show a spine. What's a spine? The spine is also called is another name for a backbone. I will write it here. Spine is a backbone, and it's also called vertebral column. This animal has a spine. So does this mean that the chicken is a vertebrate or an invertebrate? Vertebrate, excellent. So, what do we have to say? Chickens are vertebrates for sure. Why is that? Because they have a spine. Vertebrates are animals with a backbone or with a spine. Question number 3. Helicopian is one of the strangest sharks. It's an extinct shark which lived 250 million years ago. It doesn't exist anymore, and it's a shark. Annotate the Helicopian's body diagram. What about part A? And here we're talking about this part of the body, the opening found right here. This is the gill opening. What about B? B is a fin. C is the tail fin. And D is another fin. A is the gill opening. B and D are fins. C is the tail fin of this shark. Determine, and this time we have also to justify our answer. Which vertebrates group do Helicopians belong to? As I mentioned in the beginning, vertebrates are classified into 5 groups. 5 groups: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Which one of these groups do Helicopians belong to? Are they fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, or mammals? Didn't you see that this animal has a gill opening? It has also a tail fin and a fin. So what is it? It's for sure a fish. The Helicopian belongs to the fish group since it has fins and it breathes with its gills. It has gills, a gill opening. So it breathes with its gills and it shows fins. Do not forget, each time I ask you to determine, to justify your answer. So Helicopians belong to the fish group because it swims using its fins and breathes with its gills. This is what makes this animal a fish. Indicate what Helicopian used to use part A for part A, which is the gill opening. I already said it in part B. What are gills used for? Gills are used for breathing. How does breathing in these animals' body happen? The water goes inside. The water goes inside these animals' body through the mouth, and it comes outside through the gills opening. While passing through the gills' job is to absorb oxygen before the water goes out of the Helicopian's body. Question number 4, which is the last question in this worksheet. Muhammad and Ali went to the sea. While swimming, they saw small fish in the water. During that day, the sea water temperature was 20 degrees. What is Muhammad and Ali's body temperature? As humans, we have a fixed body temperature. Let me add this one here. We say that we are warm-blooded since our body temperature does not change. It doesn't change according to the environment, like fish, like temperature of fish. We have a fixed body temperature, which is 37 degrees. And this temperature doesn't change. In summer, in winter, if it's too cold or too hot, we have a fixed body temperature that doesn't change, 37 degrees. What about fish? Fish are cold-blooded. Fish are cold-blooded. Now I'm gonna repeat the answer. Fish are cold-blooded. They do not have, like us, a fixed body temperature. Their temperature changes according to the surroundings, to the environment. Let's see. That day, the sea temperature was 20 degrees. This means that the body temperature of fish was also 20 degrees. Fish are cold-blooded. They don't have fixed body temperature. Their temperature changes according to the environment. We can say that their temperature that day was 20 degrees. And that's it, we're done. If you still have any questions, don't hesitate, you can ask me whatever you want. Bye bye.